So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect keyboard, wireless keyboard on your MacBook or any kind of laptop. So first of all, you have to insert uh, a battery. I'm inserting a battery and then plug out the USB and then you have to add this USB to your MacBook. So you use MacBook have a Type C port, so I am using a converter like that. You can using any kind of a converter, or if you are using a laptop, you already have this type of port. So I am attaching the USB with my MacBook and the light is on. That's mean it's working. Let's check. I am opening a notebook and type. Yeah, it's working. Okay. So this is how you can easily add a keyboard on your MacBook. Hope you video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.